Hey guys, Cunard here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I hide one of my many insecurities that I have, and that is my dark black circles that I get underneath my eyes. If I get a good night's sleep, I still wake up with black circles there, and if I get a bad night's sleep, well, I look like I've been in a boxing ring for an hour and I am not much of a fighter, so you can only imagine how bad they look. My parents have them, they are hereditary in my family, and theirs are actually worse than mine, so it's only a downhill spiral for me from now. So I'm going to take everything off, we're going to start from scratch, and you're going to see how I brighten up my eye area. So this feels so weird, being up close, lights beaming on me, showing you all of my insecurities. However, here I am doing it for you guys. So this is me without anything on my face, and yeah, it just makes me feel not confident. I know a lot of you guys always say to me, which is so kind, Carl, you do not need makeup. However, it just makes me feel better in myself. It boosts my overall confidence. So the first product I'm going to go in with is from CONCEAL, and this is just an eye treatment. This is going to soothe out underneath the eyes, and also it's going to add some hydration under there as well, because regardless of if I get sleep or not, I still get these horrible black circles, but I want to try and treat them as best as I can to try and not make them any worse than they already are. And this product from CONCEAL also has a slight tint already in the product, which is always going to be a good kind of starting place before we apply any of the next makeup. So now we're going to go in with a colour corrector. This product, if you have dark circles, will change your life. So it's kind of a peachy orangey colour, and what this will do is it will kind of fight, I think that's the right word, fight against the black and correct the colour to bring it back to a nice skin tone. A friend of mine recently came round and she'd never used a product like this before, and she gets really black kind of dark circles, and she said, wow, this has changed my life. So you're going to see now, all you need to do is apply product here. All you want to do is just blend that underneath the eyes like this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a foundation. Now, you may not be someone that wears a foundation. I do, to cover up the red sensitive areas I have around the rest of my face. You may use a BB cream or a kind of tinted moisturizer to help give your skin a natural, healthy looking glow. But I'm currently using the Light Wonder from Charlotte Tilbury in a 8 medium. So my foundation is on. Now, I just hate having these dark circles under my eyes. I have such nice blue eyes that I want to draw attention to that area. That is why it causes such an insecurity for me, because everyone always says to me, Carl, you have such nice eyes. So I believe that is what kind of everyone's eye contact is going towards. They're all looking at my blue eyes. So I don't want to obviously have these horrible dark circles under them, because it's like, oh, you've got nice blue eyes. It's like, oh, okay, you look like you didn't have a good night's sleep last night. The next product that's really going to top everything off and kind of pull this all in together is your concealer. So I'm currently using one from Laura Mercier, and this is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Loungewear Concealer. And I'm using the 3N shade. So all I'm going to do is apply like this underneath the eye there, and then the other side. Now apply a lesser amount of product, because you can always build on the product. However, if you do too much, then you've kind of messed it all up. You're probably gonna have to start from scratch. So I'm gonna go in with this for now, blend this in, and then we'll see if we need any more. I just forgot to mention that when I am doing my concealer, I always use a beauty blender. I just find that it actually helps the product sit into the skin better, and it's just easier to kind of apply and blend in rather than doing it with your finger. I find it really hard to kind of dab quickly with your finger. Okay guys, so that is how I conceal and brighten up my eyes. I hope you can see the difference it's made. I certainly can. Just in case you wanted to recap and see those dark circles all over again, which I'm sure you didn't. I personally didn't. There it is. They look so much better now. But if you wanted to check out any of the products that I used in today's video, I've linked them down in the description box below. If you have any questions at all, pop them down in the comments box. Also, if you have any hints and tips yourself, any products that you've used that maybe I should give a go, then please also pop them down in the comments box. I always love to explore and use new products. Obviously, this is what I find works for me. However, everyone is different. So what I would recommend is you just test and try out different products. I definitely think the Giorgio Armani is something that you should all check out. It's my desert island product, as I could say, the one thing that I would take with me after water and food. They do come first, and then the Giorgio Armani Colour Corrector. Now, if you did like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if you are a new person to my channel, thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the end. Don't forget to go and subscribe. Also, don't forget to do all the sharing, liking, clicking the little notification bell, all of that jazz. That would be absolutely amazing. Lots of love to you all, and I'll be seeing you very shortly on my next video. Take care, guys. Thanks again.